So we have Achaya here, and Achaya is one of our heart champions. So let's ask Achaya her story here. I just want to tell that she has got some amazing results using whatever the methods or whatever the simple steps we have given in Happy Hearts Hub. So yes, Achaya, just start with where are you from, and what was your problem, and why did you join Happy Hearts Hub? Yes, Achaya.
Oh, okay, ma'am. I'm Akshaya, and you already
Akshay,
know
okay.
that.
Okay.
I'm from Tamil Nadu, ma'am.
Okay.
I start from 2024 because that's where I started to feel something wrong with me.
Yes, yes,
So
please.
initially I have panic attacks. I had so many panic attacks, but I don't know what it is. Panic attacks, fear of heart attack,
Mm.
and palpitations. So many social phobia, travel phobia, and negative thoughts, overwhelming negative thoughts, and body sensations. So many problems, and then meanwhile I suffered from gallbladder stones and kidney stones, fatty
Mm.
liver, and I don't know what to do and where to start. And
Mm.
so I actually I made a list so that I can explain
Yes,
it
yes,
properly.
please, please.
So I consult so many doctors, but they are check me all, and they all said it's only normal only. You don't have any problem. I did so many ECGs and echo diagram and that echo scan.
Echo
I
scan,
don't
yes.
know what it is.
2D echo,
But
3.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
But all came very normal only.
But you had this gallbladder stone and kidney stone.
Ah, yes,
That was
ma'am.
for how
Meanwhile,
long?
past 2 years.
2 years. Okay.
But I have that health anxiety. Later only I came to know that I have health anxiety.
Mm.
That is
Okay.
past 1 year, ma'am. Not not
Okay.
not more than a year, but I don't know. Later only I came to know that I have health anxiety.
And you could feel that palpitations or something in
Uh,
your chest.
Sleeping issues and claustrophobic. So many. Once I was free, but now I gain myself, regain myself again. So one day I saw your video on Instagram
Mm-hmm.
randomly.
Okay.
So in that you asked to do one simple breathing exercise. So
Yes.
without any hope, I did. But surprisingly, my racing had become normal, and
Okay.
I feel calmness both in my mind and body. In
Using that
that moment,
short reel which I
yes,
posted.
yes, yes, some breathing exercise.
Okay.
Only inhale and
Yeah.
exhale exercise only. So from that moment, I decided to join the Happy Heart App, and
Okay.
that is the best decision I ever made in my
Okay.
lifetime.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
After that, I practice whatever you said. That pranayama, 3 liters water,
Hmm.
eat 2 fruits a day, and no news, gratitude list. Still,
Yeah.
still, I'm doing all this.
Oh,
Uh,
wow.
things, which is very helpful to me to overcome all this anxiety. Initially, I don't have any hope in these things, but I started to see improvement in my health. Then
Okay.
only I become very confident in my health.
And that's why you
So
are the heart champion. You got that award, right? And tell us about
and the
that.
detoxification process is very much helpful to me.
Which process?
Detoxification, ma'am.
Detoxification. Okay. You did all
Ah,
the three detoxification which
ah,
I told you.
yes, ma'am,
Okay.
yes, ma'am. And the kidney stone and the coriander leaf water
Yeah.
for kidney stone
Right.
and fatty liver and harat powder.
Carrot powder. Yes. Okay.
It is very, very, very helpful to me. After that,
Okay.
I checked my. After that, I met my doctor and I checked in the scan. They said they have completely gone.
Wow.
Kidney stones and gallbladder stone also gone because I started to eat my dinner before 7 p.m.
Okay.
So doctors also said that that is also a big achievement in your practice.
So with the simple things like nothing complicated here, right? Everything was
Mhm.
simple and you could do it from your home itself, managing a small baby at home, right? And
Yes,
you
ma'am.
could come out of that gallbladder stone and kidney stone, right? That's a big
Yes, ma'am.
achievement, Achaya. You should celebrate and take that time out and pat yourself that yes, you did it. And how about health anxiety?
I'm 100 times better now, ma'am.
100
Before.
times. Okay.
Uh,
Great.
still now, I'm in my healing journey only because I often have my palpitation, but not that impact before I have.
Okay. Okay. Great. Great.
So I'm doing great. Thank you to you.
Thank you so much,
Thank you very much.
Achaya. Any message you want to give to people like, whoever wants to start this journey or want to join this journey? What
Mm.
are some points that you want to share with them? Any one or two points which you like to share?
Yes,
Anybody who is new
actually,
and who is joining, for them.
um, okay, whatever you said, um, please attend the live sessions.
Okay.
Okay, that is what I'm asking to do everyone. Now I teach what you said to my parent also.
Oh, great.
They also see the big difference.
Okay.
Now they are practicing with me.
Okay. Wow,
So that
great.
is also great achievement for me. Now they are also doing good.
Okay.
They feel very lighter version of them.
Okay. So they are also doing this small things like pranayam or
Yes,
gratitude list.
ma'am.
Are they doing that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Oh,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
wow, great. Otherwise,
I
convincing
may not
parents is
attend
not that
any live
easy.
session today. Ma'am?
Yes, you are saying something, Achaya.
No, I may not attend any live sessions nowadays,
Hmm, hmm,
but
hmm.
I do all pranayams and meditation through recordings.
Okay. So you are using the recorded sessions which are already
Yes, ma'am.
available.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Great, great. Now, I was saying that, convincing parents to do something is very difficult, but
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
doing that is very good, actually.
Because they only uh, what I'm saying. They saw me that I'm very my version of painful version of me. Now I'm
Hmm.
doing great. So
Okay.
that is where they I don't
They
know
saw
what to
that you
say.
have changed, right?
I have changed so many uh,
Yeah. Health-wise
health access, ma'am.
and mental-wise also, emotions-wise.
Yes, 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 ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. And one more question I would want to ask, like, can you tell me approximately how much you might have spent in diagnostics or doctor's visit or, in past 2, 3 years, how much you might have spent? Approximately, just an idea.
Amount wise, ma'am.
Yeah, amount wise.
Nearly 30,000.
30,000. Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
All the diagnostic tests and medicines and all together. Okay.
That's good.
Why
That's
I'm
good.
asking that is because our membership cost is very less in,
Yes,
for Happy Hearts Hub. And
ma'am.
do you think that investing that little amount in this membership is worth it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Of course worth it. And that is for to lifetime,
Yes.
which is great. Of course it is worth it, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, Achya. That's what I wanted
Thank you
to
very much.
ask you. Thank you for the
Thank you.
time. I know there's some person who is not well at your place, but you still gave this
Yes,
time. I'm so,
ma'am.
so thankful.
Thank you,
Any
ma'am.
any last thing you want to share?
I don't know. I feel very happy.
That's
What
it.
I am today is because of you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Grateful
Thank
to
you
you.
so much, Achya. Thank you so much. Chalo,
You're
take care.
welcome.